Channel S, song is Katsi, the definition of television. Incazelo engcono yamabonakude.
Swaziland, welcome to Channel Swazi News. I'm Linda Shangwe with your headlines. Tyra Johnson has been crowned as Miss Teen Swaziland. The Royal Swaziland Police condemns the act of foreign artists who don't show up when invited. Babane Swallows and Young Buffaloes played a 1-1 draw today at the Samhlalo National Stadium. The news. Tyra Johnson has been crowned Miss Teen Swaziland. She was crowned yesterday at Nkonyeni Golf Estate. We have a report.
The Miss Teen of the Year has been crowned. The event took place at Nkonyeni yesterday evening. Tyra Johnson took the crown with the fashion voucher worth 2,000 emalangeni. The first princess was Emihle Nzimba, who won 1,000 emalangeni. The second princess won 1,000 emalangeni. The second princess was Mina Zwanen. The Ministry of Health was also present, and they were glad to be part of this event, as Miss Teen will also play a big role under the health sector.
Umsebenzi wethu uhambe kahle kakhulu namuhla and siyajabula sing-Ministry of Health as we are partnering with PSI. Siyajabula lokuthi Miss Teen sesiphume naye, sesitawukhona kusebenza naye. Miss Teen ke njengoba sathi silitiko letempilo lendile ukuthi ema-clinics onke, ema-health facilities onke, including ema-mobile clinics, abe youth-friendly, khona abantu labasha batokhona access ema-services. Then Miss Teen utawukhona kumotivate young people to access these services kulama mobile clinics or onke ema-health facilities in Swaziland. So we are very happy about this activity. Sivangati, we are moving forward and we are happy as Ministry of Health because we want these young people to access services, to access information on sexual reproductive health so that we are able to reduce new infections amongst young people, which include new HIV infection amongst young people. So siyajabula sing Ministry of Health kakhulu.
Reporting for Channel Swazi, Tututube, Linda Shongwe, Nkonyeni.
The live DVD recording of Linda Dlamini's DVD was a success at the Woodlands at Ezulwini. This event was graced by the presence of cabinet ministers. A report follows.
Linda Dlamini's live CD and DVD recording, which was held at Ezulwini Woodlands yesterday night, was a huge success. Present in the event were Ministers of Agriculture, Mr. Moses Vilagadi, and Minister of Arts and Culture, Mr. Cruzan Gampalala, Pastor Skumbuzo Shongwe of Divine Healing Ministries, and Pastor Kulan Mamba, amongst others. Chana asked journalists corrections to talk to Minister of Arts and Culture, Mr. Cruzan Gampalala, who appreciated Swazis for supporting local talent and also warned against pirating of other people's projects and selling them at low prices on the streets.
Was to messenger tatwethu ikakhulu kubonga ama-artist akithi even sibonga sona sive ukuthi siphume sibasekele omusic ubaluleka ngoba une-support ngoba kwawona udulile lo siva nje ukuthi Linda loko alontsha namuhla tindleko tingetulu kakhulu kodwa nje sibonga eMaswati ukuthi amsekele sekwengcile lapho besingabonga ukuthi uma selisemarket achubeke eMaswati asekele ngoba kuthuthuka kwemusic kuba ngikunye ukuthi loyo mhlabeleli ngamunye simsekele ngokuthenga emarekhodi akhe kuze naye achubekele embili okukhulu ke ukuthi kubahlabeleli bakithi lekungeko akusinje yena yedwa unebantu labaphila kuye lesingathi sowuchashile basebenta yena kubalulekile ke ukuthi silive sibe na indlela singeMaswati kubabambisa likakhulu sekhuze umkhuba wokuthenga esitaladini lokho singasho ukuthi kuvisana buhlungu kakhulu uma ubona liswati nje lima emgwaqweni lithi sengiyathenga mina kube kunetindawo letifanele lokho ke singathi ngumkhuba lesingawekhuza siwacela eMaswati ukuthi akangakwendi lo singeMaswati ake supporte ngalendlela lefanele ngiloko dadwethu.
Mr. Kulumamba also touched on the issue of piracy, and this is what he said.
Siyabonga kakhulu sito supporta Linda Dlamini la Linda Dlamini siyamati how he started the music career work, and we've seen him growing from humble beginnings to where he is today. Good angas recorded his first DVD and CD live recording. I know him personally, someone who fears God. So more than anything, lend us something, we must be seen to be supporting that person. Music was started by God himself. It's a way of praising and worshiping God. Sithi ke bekunene sesingene kuleto ndzabate ku support local talent. Asesimane phela sicaphele nekuthi nase bakhiqitile ema DVDs nema CDs asiwathenge. Singabese sesifuna ukuthenga lawo lathengiswa etaladini ngalokungekho emthethweni. Lokho vele kuliqala njengoba sibokuma ukuthi piracy. So ngalihlangothi lasemaphoyiseni uyaboshwa na wena njalo. And ngaphandle kokuthi nje uyaboshwa vele wendela phasi that artist because uqinana naye kude lokumbuyelako after so much work that you have done as an artist. And kube kuyindlela yokunikela in a way to say hamba vangeli.
Pastor Skhumbuzo Shongwe of Phumla Mqashi Divine Healing Ministries, on the other hand, appreciated the success of the event, which he said he was the manager of, and this is what he had to say.
Kubonga nje Maswati lapho emnengi bawo ukuthi ba support Linda Dlamini balinda iartist lengemanager ko sibonga uNkulunkulu sikwendeke njengoba bese-expectile abantu batile kwahlatshelelwa bantu babusiseka sibonga kakhulu ministers sibonga minister babeCruza sibonga minister babevlakade nawo onke nje hulumende shokona ukuthi bekumadima kudliwe lana kunathiwe emani onathi amajuice onathi ama-cold drink kwadliwa tinkukhu tasemakhaya kwadliwa boramtutu kwadliwa amatimfish kwadliwa lonke uhlobo umsebenzi abasezingeni lesetulu kakhulu sibonga kakhulu.
Linda Dlamini, the main person of the event, thanked Swazis who made the event a success and further thanked Channel Swazi for playing his music.
I just want to say thank you Swaziland for the great support. Lebasitshengise yona ngithenza kubonga kakhulu ikakhulu ngibekise nje uma kunemicimbi kangaka njengoba nje nasibantu babona tindzaba kunenkampani enkulu kangona bathi event masters le lighting leniyibonako nje lapha nisansa recorder providwe ngibo bo sound 10 concerts. I'm so much grateful. I want to say to everyone who came, I really appreciate. Thank you so much. And nemsakazo dithombe Channel S siyabonga kakhulu support enisiphe yona egameni leJesu. Amen.
Channel S, I appreciate kakhulu. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate the time that you are doing.
Reporting for Channel Swazi News is Melissa Mzweli, Zulwini.
The Swaziland Investment Promotion Authority says the Swaziland International Trade Fair went according to their plan. They commend the Swazi nation who continuously support the annual trade fair. The annual trade fair ended today with a Gospel Sunday.
Today was the last day of the trade fair exhibition that ended up with the Gospel Festival. Sihle Ngabinze from Simpa said that they are very happy with the outcomes of this year's exhibition as all stalls were filled and there are a lot of buyers.
Ukukhumbula ukuthi isonto namuhla labanye basathanda kuphuma emasondweni labanye basuka la khashane emasonto so sithemba ukuthi ekuqhubekweni kwawo lo music badawu gcine inombolo di improvile iSATF ithathewethu kuyi mandate yakhe sipho ukuthi adame ukuthi apromote itrade so itrade uyipromota kuphi ke uyipromota ngokuthi ama exhibitors akho abe maningi phinze nama visitors akho abe maningi sicabanga ukuthi singisipha sikhonile ku-achieve leyo primary goal yokuthi sikhone kusikwenda ama-exhibitors ethu abe khona uma ukhumbula kahle ekucaleni sike sareport ukuthi izindlu tethu cishe tigcwele la sibeka khona abakhangisi bawona lo mbukiso we-SATF emalangeni bethathu uma bebohlufika uvela ngalana ubonile nakhona inombolo tema-visitors cishe sithokodile ngato and activities lamanye la complementa yona iSATF nawo swabonile endekile kutawubekisa nje ama-fun fair games abantwana bekukhona kubekise imiculo lebeyikhona emalangeni lengcile nawo beyikhona sibhaca naso solo siyachubeka lapha sitabe kune-final yaso nje kusasa bene sekuba nama-sporting courts labo volleyball labo basketball nayi-boxing temancindi nakhona sibonile kukhona so uma kubuka kwethu sibona ukuthi cishe si-achievile lebesifise ukuthi siku-achieve si-organization yasimba promoting yona i-trade.
Reporting for Channel Swazi News, Dudube, Linda Shongwe, Manzini.
The Royal Swaziland Police condemns the act of foreign artists who don't show up when invited. They say this causes drama between the organizers and the artists.
That most of the time we see on the media adverts of South African artists who are built to come and perform in Swaziland. And all of a sudden, when people attend those shows, those artists, it's either they disappear, we don't know what happens. But when we conduct our own investigations, we find that some of the artists have already been paid, but unfortunately they don't come for the events. And that thing is a problem to us as security because it has got a potential of causing violence from the fans after reaction. When you have been promised something, usually people, when they buy the tickets, they come because they've seen the lineup of the artists, and so they think, if I go there, I will find this artist, and when they get there, only to be disappointed at the end. Just yesterday, we had Linda's show at Woodlands, the same thing happened, and this thing is not good for Swaziland. It has happened for several times. We are hoping that we'll work with SWAMA, we'll work with ACASWA and the Arts and Culture Department under the Ministry of Sports and Culture. So to try to resolve this thing so that we can protect the consumers, because they are the people who are affected at the end of the day. They are the people who pay the money. And so we cannot just sit down and watch while the Swazis are being robbed of their hard-earned cash on these shows. We love gospel music, we love secular music, we love South African artists, but when they behave in such a manner, it is not good for the country, it's not good for the population just to be deceived by these adverts. When people are there, the artists themselves, they don't come, they are not there, and there's no even explanation as to what was the cause of them not coming to the event.
Sinanje nasingeva ukuthi kunebase South Africa labaceliwe basuke bangedi sitawuphatheka kabi kakhulu sitawucela ukuthi abantu labadzala abala kangwane sebasibukele ngako konke lokho
kusengaba lapho ukuthi as organizers they should I don't know, I think we should get our money back. I think that's a standard procedure. If someone is paid to show up and he fails to show up, they should pay us back. But all in all, Maswati, they benefit by having fewer international artists, I believe.
watching Channel S, sonke isikhathi.
When I need to take care of business, I handle it anyway. When I need to manage my finances, I do it. Noma nini, noma kuphi.
Do your banking the smart way with Swazi Bank's Noma Kuphi mobile banking app. Check your account balance, transfer funds, and even buy airtime and data bundles with a single touch.
I have become my own banker. With Swazi Bank's mobile banking app, Noma Kuphi, I get more time to do the things I love.
Download the Noma Kuphi app from any app store or register at your nearest Swazi Bank branch. Then dial *656#. Swazi Bank, the bank with a heart.
Singavo sitolo kangwane lesihamba phambili ngemathulusi ekwakha i-Coban Build Hardware. Sinato timpombi tokwa nokusho tinhlobonhlobo. Sinawo emasimini esimanje manje lento indlu yakho ibukeke ibe yinhle. Sinawo emotors lamanyatelako. Emathulusi ekwakha sitholakala kaManzini, Lamgabi, Eluve kanye nasengculini. Coban Build Hardware. Ungasishayela kunathi inombolo 2505 2444 505 2444.
Uhlishwa majiji, umntwana lona ebuhlanga, uvumbuka kwenshabusuku, unetilonza esiswini, unelibhande, nemaphayizi asakuhlupa isikhathi eside. Vela uphuthume eDubs Herbal utothola lusido. Sinato tonke tinsipho tenhlanhla, umhlabelo, nalokunye lokunye. Ungasithola amatutane nemanzini market, nakuleti tindzawo letibhaliwe. Dubs Herbal, bogobela bekulapha ngesintu.
Still watching Channel S, sonke isikhathi.
Welcome back. You're still watching Channel Swazi News. The El Nino phenomena that caused a drop in agricultural yields has left a lesson in many Swazis as they have prepared for the upcoming winter season.
Shothi le nkundla yethu kulesikhathi sephambilini lapho kunesomiso khona vele isimo besibe khona saba madima kakhulu ngoba bonke le batame kulima asinawo amadamu la ukuthi bakhona kubamba lamanti bakhona kulima ngawo ke bawasebenze from emadamini so badependela vele emvuleni so ngaleso sizathu kwenda lo ukuthi lesimo nalingani lelidulu vele balimi labanengi bangakhona ukuthola isivuno kepha ke nyalo inkundla sihlangene nelitiko la EU nasi workshop espeaks abacela ukuthi sebasakhele idamu lebalimi nakalobamba nawo sicabanga lothi sebayendile bo survey batawusakhela le damu litabangale ngakubo St Mary's lakutawulinywa ngakhona so siyacabanga lokuthi lokusita lesimo nyalo simonithile in a way ukuthi nalabalimi sesababisa together bakha i-cooperative yabo letaba ilingi yahulumende liphasi kwelitiko la agriculture ukuthi nangabe kutasimo lesinjengalesi hulumende balimi bakalobamba akhona ukuhlala phasi nabo akhulumisane nabo bafake imivo yabo nemimbono yabo kusisebentele ke lokho lokusube nale cooperative ngoba nalama input lalethwa nguhulumende nakafikile akanzinzi vele aye kulabalimi le cooperative committee yabo ikhona ukuthi ibabite bonke basitakale balimi ngalokukhona noma kunetfundiso lethite ngetinhlanyelo bayakhona nyalo sibatholakale ngebunengi ngesikhathi ebathengeka ngaso lokho kutawenda ukuthi kumbele ukutanyalo lesizini yokulima le improvement ibe khona yala ekulimeni ukuthi bakhona ukukhicida ngebunengi ngoba sebayabonisana sebayahlangana nabo sebasoda lahlekelwe kakhulu lesomiso lesiphelile babe ikakhulu emfuyweni fana nekhathi tingomo timbudi lebetibulawa isosomiso kepha kenyalo ngicabanga ukulungisa lokunengi ngiloyo ukuthi vele tindzawo letifana nemadlelo tidimakho ngoba la sesi-discover khona nyalo siyakha imitiyanza kude tindzawo lesitihlelembisa ukuthi tibe nemadlelo for letinkomo nasekufika isimo lesinje ukuthi tilinyelo lotshani nawu sikiko koloyo ukuthi sowungakuhlelembisa ukuthi nyalo kufuna emabandla emiphakathi ahlale phansi ahlele emadlelo ngenkundla ukuthi atoba ngakuphi la madlelo abe khona vele amadlelo ukuthi nase kunalesimo lesi letilwana tiyawuthathwa tiyiswe kulawo madlelo.
Apostle Mgometulu hosted a powerful Sunday service today with his guest, Apostle Ndo from Pretoria, South Africa.
Apostolic Ngometulo was having a service at Matapa Correctional Services Auditorium where he invited Pastor Hambani Ndou from South Africa to help pray for the nation and teach about the power of prayer. Apostolic Ngometulo thanked the people who attended and the pastor. He also mentioned that on December this year there will be another service.
Awuthambe kahle kakhulu nje siyabonga kakhulu uNkulunkulu kusilethela umlosi uka ePitoli uNkulunkulu sebenze ngemandla nangebukhulu bakhe afundisa ngekuthi umthandazo ushintsha tinto so nje tinto titha ushintsha livela kangwane alimati uNkulunkulu ukuthi tinto tiyashintsha ngemthandazo akusiko ngasusuku ngesikhathi kufanele ubeke tandla khona kusekushintshe tinto into leshintsha umuntu kuhlala evini lakhe ulevini laNkulunkulu iproblem yabantu bathatheka etintweni leti ukuthi lokhu kuthi hayi utongithandazela nyalo tinto tamsetolunga wabamba le live kuphila kwakho kulapho kude lokukhulu kwendeka uNkulunkulu and umthandazo yathi shintsha tinto etikhulukude okukhulu kwendeka ngokwendeka abantu nje maswathi kude lokuhlula umthandazo prayer changes things sitaba munye ufuna ukuthola lokunye sekuphelile kanti wathola uNkulunkulu nelive lakhe konke ukuthola kuhlala kuwe ukusustain impilo yakho yonke.
Reporting for Channel Swazi, Dudube, Linda Shongwe, Matapa.
Mrs. Dube from Bethany says a majority of women should be assigned to parliament in the upcoming elections as women have the answer to the national vision.
Bengicela nje maswathi lamahle ukuthi asekukhangase labo makhe nabo sebayodibhuqela le nami ngibe nembono lomuhle tihlahla nani inkukhu nani utheliswe kuze sofika ku2022 ngoba le mithi lengaka nje emakhaya eminengi uhulumende uhlala emphinjeni kulaba amabhizinisi ngicabanga ukuthi nasesikhethile sesikhethela labo maka labaya eParliament ngimikisa umuvo lothi uhulumende akaqale akangene semakhaya athelise kuze kuthi le mali lelangeni lethu lingapheke kushona livumbuka litoba shintsha libe lidola etimbutini lo mngani wami uyangibita ukuthi angiphuswe emagani akhona kusibhadala lesikwelede ngale mali yamagani sengisho ukuthi ke imali iselele emakhaya emvu emakhaya angibekise nje nanga sesihlangana sibomaka nga R5 wenyanga ngiphokophelela pha ka education lapho phela khona phela beMacmillan ukuthi base bashiya isyllabus ibashiya njani walala bothishela be day by day bebasifundisa bakhiphe ama graduate manje ke angithokoteli lokufunda ngemgcibelo angithokoteli lokufunda ngema holiday phela umntwana ayikuthi amathemu endelwane into esumntwana aphumule engqondweni labantwana basaphumuli manje engqondweni sebafunza ithemu ngethemu.
And now taking a look at our sports news, the Premier Soccer League giants, Mbabane Swallows and Young Buffaloes locked horns today at the Samson National Stadium as they play a 1-1 draw. The MTN Premier League of Swaziland started on a high note since the first games of the Premier Soccer League today. The Premier League giants, Mbabane Swallows and Young Buffaloes, locked horns at the Samson National Stadium in a game that ended in a 1-1 draw, where Young Buffaloes scored first by Ndotam Tetwa. Swallows' goal came in a few minutes after Young Buffalo's goal by Wanda Sambaja Klego. Both teams had a lot of chances to score more goals throughout the whole game. Both coaches also commented on the result of the game.
Okay, first half besibanike more room esithi abadlale ngale craft yabo, and then sithi sibathatha ku break attack because of obvious reason baqale kuqala kulungiselela kunathi. So in terms of fitness, we are still not there where we were last year. So second half we said, oh no, let's take the game to them, and we created a lot of chances. Absence is shying. In terms of bulking and making movements, opening spaces for the oncoming players from midfield, and our transition second half was much better.
Ngicabanga ukuthi futhi before umuntu aphawule ngegame kungaba kubonga nje uNkulunkulu ukuthi siqedze isizini siyayiqala futhi sikanye kanye nebadlali ukuthi umdlalo siyahlekele sokungumusa uNkulunkulu loyo but then sesibuya egamini iplan yethu beyithi sitaba nabangena ku half ethu sawudlala man to man marking, so ngicabanga ukuthi silekelele because amabhola lamaningi besiwawina kibo sibabamba nakuma counter. Unfortunately sangakhona ukulungisa kahle, so lesekusele thina ukuthi silungise indzaba ye finishing, otherwise basitikile game plan ngiyadicapha ngaba players.
What are your plans ahead nje kusaqala yona isizini?
Nawubuka i-performance ye-Buffalo last season isho ukuthi kakusetshenzwe this season because wonke umuntu uhlahle emehlo bhuti wami.
Sibonile ukuthi kunebudlali lolimele, ingabe nanicabanga ukuthi kuhamba kwakhe kuqala limata kanjani icembu?
Abakhona abadlali basayiniwe, I think Dumsane ukhona. Kungaba nje ngicabanga ukuthi utawurecover akusiyo info le-bad. Nekuthi-ke ubabonge ama-players naw ubuka lokho ukuthi udlala ungu-10 against iswalo but uyalitfola liphoyinto.
The game ended in a 1-1 draw. This match followed two matches where Manzini Sundowns grappled Red Lions with 4-0, and Babane Swallows grappled Manzini Wanderers with 4-1. For Channel Swazi News, Nida Shongwe from Tlolo National Stadium. Our top stories to end the English news. Tara Johnson has been crowned Miss Teen Swaziland. She was crowned yesterday at Konyanikov Estate. The Royal Swaziland Police condemned the act of foreign artists who don't show up when invited, as this caused violence between the fans and the organizers. The Premier Soccer League giants Babane Swallows and Young Buffaloes played a 1-1 draw today at the Tlolo National Stadium. That's all for today. For me, the show, the whole Channel Swazi News crew, we say have a good night. God bless you. For more news, visit our website www.channelswazi.com.